hotels, a computerized system helps the staff manage reservations, check room availability, and organize the schedule. Let's see how it works inside Owens Hotel.
Morning, ma'am, sir. Mabuhay.
Good morning. Welcome to Owens Hotel. How may I assist you today?
I'd like to do a reservation from November 3 to 5. Do you still have one available in the last room?
Let me check our system. Yes, we still have one available. For those dates, would you like me to reserve it for you?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Perfect. May I have your phone name, please?
George Austria.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Ospinal. Your deluxe room is confirmed from November 3 to 5. The total amount is 8,000.
Alright, thank you.
The hotel systems allow staff to check room availability instantly and avoid double bookings, making the reservation process fast and accurate.
Now, I will tell you booking confirmation letter. Please include your name, room type, date of stay, and total total.
The hotel's tools allow the staff to easily create and send documents, keeping everything professional and well organized.
I send you the confirmation to your email. Please check your inbox. Yes, thank you so much.
Next, we'll record the customer's details and payment in our system. Name, room type, check-in, check-out, and total amount. The total amount is automatically calculated here, which helps us track all transactions quickly. These records help management monitor daily income, room occupancy, and guest information. With the digital, the hotel can generate accurate reports and analyze its performance anytime. I noticed that our weekday bookings have dropped recently. What do our reports show?
Here's the latest data. As you can see, our weekend bookings are high, but weekdays have gone down by almost 30%.
That's quite a drop. Do we know what's causing it?
The possible causes: guests prefer traveling on weekends. Based on guest feedback, most people prefer weekdays since day off from work or school. Limited weekday promotion or activities. Less advertising targeted for weekday guests.
So our challenge is to attract more guests during weekdays. Thanks to digital report, the management can quickly identify patterns and issues that affect the hotel's performance. Alright, what can we do to increase our weekday bookings?
I suggest maybe we launch a midweek promo, maybe a 15% discount for guests who is staying Monday to Thursday.
That's a great idea. We can also email the promo to our previous guests so they know about it. This is our implementation plan. In first week, prepare promo for details. In second week, send emails to customers. In third week, post on social media. In fourth week, monitor new bookings.
This is our expected project outcome. Weekday bookings expected to raise 30% to 40%.
Excellent! Let's launch the promo this week and check the results in next month's report. With accurate information and teamwork, the hotel can make smart decisions that improves the service and attract more guests.
And as a guest, let me demonstrate how small and professional your service is. And this is how MIS makes